Bitcoin has dropped about 10% in just the past couple of days. And in this video, we're going to be talking about where I think the bottom is, because we are coming up on a major support level for Bitcoin. And if we look at the past 2.5 years, you will see that each and every single time that we have pulled back into this support level, we have bounced and continued on a significant rally. Right now, we're taking a look at the weekly time frame. So each one of these candles represents 1 week of price action. And you're going to see here the fair value basis or the market bias. That is this green tape-like indicator shown on your screen. And whenever price is trading over the bias, it means that we are in a bullish trend and market structure is also bullish. And this is the exact type of market environment that we want to be trading in. When price is underneath of this band, that is either a time to be shorting or a time to just sit out and wait for a trend reversal. Now, if you notice, and as I said at the beginning of this video, since 2023, when price broke above this bias, you're going to see that every single time that we have pulled back, this has been a great time to buy, meaning that we are trading in a bullish trend and price is trading at a discount. And so you can see right now we are trading at this support level. And if you follow me on X, this is a very big reason why I've been saying there's a good chance that price is going to try to bounce. Now we can actually overlay this weekly bias, and you can see that if we go to a daily time frame, price is bouncing off of that support level, which is a very good sign and exactly what we wanted to see. Now, the buying pressure on the BX trender for the daily chart is still red, which is not ideal. Really, we want to see this switch to a higher low or light red. This would give us a good indication of that bounce, but so far, this is definitely what we want to see. From here, it looks like price will continue to try to bounce and come up into this $110,000 resistance level. If price can push through that $110,000 resistance level, then there is a very good chance that over the next couple of weeks and into the end of this year, that Bitcoin will probably break back up to all-time highs around $124,000, all the way up to about $135,000. And this is a good sign because the trend here is still bullish. So as of right now, I am still bullish on Bitcoin, and I do think that this is a good time to be trying to time a potential bottom. But we have to remember what is the worst case scenario and what is the exact trigger for us to remove our bullish thesis on Bitcoin in the first place. Well, that would be if this weekly bias breaks. Now we are still on a weekly time frame, but what I'm going to do is actually turn on the monthly bias. Now you have to think of these biases basically as rungs in a ladder. And if this fair value basis or market bias is going to break, then there is a very high chance that if this level breaks, so if we end up taking out 100,000 to 95,000, that there's a very good chance price is going to burn down to this next support level. And for those of you who use our Traders Helping Traders volume profile, you'll also understand that there is a volume node right here at about $95,000. This is lining up with that support shelf. And if that node breaks, there's a very high chance that we are going to fill that volume gap down to this next support level. So everything about this chart is saying that if this $95,000 to $100,000 level breaks, there's a very high chance, I would say with probably about 70 to 80% certainty, that Bitcoin is going to sell off down to $75,000 and worst case down to $70,000, which would be another 30% sell off into the end of this year, maybe into the beginning of January. If you want to get access to all of the indicators that we use in these videos, as well as learn how to implement them within the strategy, go ahead and check out the link to our trading library down below. You'll get access to the BX Trender, the Smart Money Mastery and Smart Money Zones, and the volume profile. Each course shows you how to actually set up the indicators, the proprietary settings. Over 20,000 students have implemented this into their trading system and are seeing consistent profits from as low as $10,000 all the way up to over $3 million. The link will be in the description. So what do we do with this information? Because I see a lot of comments with people saying, oh, well, you're saying the stock is either going to go up or go down. That's not the case, right? Of course, that is what a lot of people say, but it's more about what are the exact triggers. And in this case, the time is to be bullish right now. The goal is not to make money on each and every single trade. When we are trading these breakouts, we are eventually going to see a trend reversal, and that is going to be when we lose. But the whole point and the whole idea behind this is that we will make up all of the times that we get these breakouts for the small losses that we endure. So if we were to have went long at $100,000, like we were saying, our first target is minimum like 126 to 130,000. And if we set a stop loss here at about $90,000, that gives us a 3.8 risk versus reward. We could have a 50% win rate, which this strategy has much higher than that, and we would still be extremely profitable over the long term. Of course, if the worst case scenario happens and we end up taking that 7 to 10% loss, then as we stated before, allow price to continue to sell off into this support, and then we can try to time it down here in the $70,000 to $75,000 level, and then play the breakout, for the 6 to 12 months going into 2026. So as of right now, I am still bullish. I'm playing this breakout to the upside. I'm not trading Bitcoin myself, but I am trading a lot of crypto miners and crypto related stocks. If this level breaks, then we'll let it continue to sell off.